So when I first joined Western as a student, I really just wanted to help people. And years later, here I am, I'm going to move to North Carolina and help a nonprofit, which is specifically geared at the independence of wheelchair users. So it really did work out. So in 2011, I was going a little bit too fast, lost control of my car, ended up flipping it, and with the impact, I broke my back right at belly button level. So I am paralyzed from the waist down. Luckily, I was all by myself though, so I didn't injure anyone else. So I took a little bit of time to kind of get used to this life and figure out like what I was meant to do. Right after my car accident, I was like, oh, I can't go camping, I can't travel, I can't do this. And I was lucky enough that my friends were like, yes, you absolutely can. And they made that happen. So my goal joining school was to be that friend for someone else. I wanted to be that support for someone who doesn't have the friends that I had. When I started learning more about psychology and sociology, I really knew that I wanted to help people, like in a one-on-one format. So I also added in the human services programming, and that's really what I kind of thrived with. I've been disabled for only about 10 years in my wheelchair, and I thought about all the things that I had offered. I had good support systems, I had friends, I had family, I had community resources. So what I wanted to do is take my education and grow that. I wanted to help other people in wheelchairs or with disabilities grow their independence, find new support systems, and just get out of the house. I was a clam for a little bit, and I wanted to open up that life to other people and show people that just because your life changed doesn't mean that's the end, and you can still do a whole lot of stuff. While I was here, I was coming to the Learning Commons a lot to study and to get help with my classes, and from there the staff was like, you know, you're really consistent and we'd love to have you as a tutor. And so since then I've been tutoring other students and helping them with their homework as well. The nonprofit that I work for is Wheel With Me Foundation. It's based out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and it's geared on promoting the independence of wheelchair users. One of our big long-term goals is to eventually create some transitional living or accessible living for wheelchair users to also support that kind of independence and growth. And then we have our fitness app, which is Wheel With Me Fitness, for wheelchair users by wheelchair users. It's the first one of its kind, and we just want to show individuals with different abilities that they don't have to put their life on hold, whether that's fitness related, personal related, business related. There's been a lot of hard days, a lot of tough days, but at this point in my life, I really am convinced that this is the life I was meant to live. We are very capable, and I am very excited to show the world that.